Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How does Ring Pro get power? Your Ring Video Doorbell Pro is designed to draw power from the same 16-volt AC power transformer as your internal doorbell mechanism. Problems can arise, however, when a doorbell mechanism draws so much power that there's not enough left over to power your Ring Video Doorbell Pro. How many volts does a Ring doorbell need to be powered? The Ring Doorbell Pro requires a constant power supply with a voltage between 16 volts to 24 volts and at least 30 VA of amperage. Our smart home pros have found that in the Midwest only about 20% of homes built before 1995 have enough voltage to supply a Ring Doorbell Pro. How do I get more power to my Ring doorbell? If you have lost these devices, contact Ring customer service, and they will mail you a replacement. If the power to your home's existing doorbell system is unstable, then you can purchase an AC plug-in adapter with a long cord to plug into an outlet in your home for powering your doorbell. Can I install Ring Doorbell without Pro Power Kit? But for a clear answer to your question, yes, you can install it without the Pro Power Kit if you do not incorporate your old doorbell chime. See less. The Pro Power Kit is simply a resistor and likely a 1 amp fuse as well. If you are hardwiring the Ring directly to the transformer, you do not need the power kit to run it.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.